What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Hope everybody doing great. What are we getting into today? So in today's video, I'm gonna be swapping out the fender caps, you know, where the emblem is, where it says WRX. So that part I'm gonna be taking it out because the ones that I have on the car was not recently, you know, the previous owner, he plastic dipped the car and they painted all that, you know, it had like a little vent on the sides. So they painted the vents all blue and it looks ugly. So I bought some other fender caps from another WRX, same color, thanks God. Didn't have to paint them or any of that. So yeah, I'm gonna try to see if I can swap them out and get rid of that ugly vent that the other one has. So I'm gonna catch you guys downstairs. So if you guys can see, I don't know if you can see. Yeah, you can see it. See, it has all that plastic dip in there, blue, on both sides, and I don't really like it. It's ugly. See, in the bottom it has a lot more. And yeah, so got some other ones there. Here I have the other ones. I wrapped them here. You know, that was in the storage, laying around. See, same color. These vents are clean, so yep. Let's get those out. So it has a little thingy right here. Pull it out of place. You can see that was easy. Just gotta take out this little zip tag here, zip tie, so I can remove it. So I'll be back in a few. If you guys are asking why I have zip ties there, it's because not too long ago I ripped it off, didn't have any clips, so you know, had to zip tie it there because you know the intake is right there, so I didn't want to drive around with no fender liner, and then you know all that water was gonna go into the intake, so nobody wants that. Gotta move it a little bit around so it can come out the side skirt. Got another zip tie here. Yep, it's off. Has these two clips up here. You gotta remove this one from over here. Has these two and those two on the bottom. You see, I even have plastic dip in there. You see blue. You gotta clean that up for a better look. I don't know. You can see it's all in there. See right there. It's in pretty good shape. The only thing is that, you know. So just got done putting the clips on this one. I was missing a few, so I'm starting with the bottom first. I'll put this little piece. Yep. Gotta figure out how to put this back in there. Yep. So I did end up taking this one off because it was not sticking from back here, you know, it was just all floppy there. So I got some 3M tape upstairs. I'm just cleaning it up right now. I'm gonna go run upstairs, put some double-sided tape on here, heat it up, and clean this up first, then stick it there. Here, I don't know why it's like this. It's not sitting flush, but I'll try to see what I can do there. And then yeah, let's see. Because that's bothering me already. So we're on the other side now. I'll open the door so I don't crash me here, you know. Gotta move the clip from the back. Pull it. Pull it. Oh, gotta take this off too. This clip from right here. See if I can put it out. Nope. But it's the same thing from the other side. Gotta take that off and then I'll be able to remove it. This one is stuck to the side skirt, but it's out. This one, push it in there, push this in. Yep, and she's in. On the driver's side, it did fit better than the other side. This one is flush up here. This one is stick there, so that one ain't coming off. I'm gonna change them to black anyway, so it's gonna be there for now. Let's see. Came from a 2019 WRX, so yeah. Let's go to the passenger side. So yeah, the passenger side is the one that has this little thing right here. It doesn't say flush, but I'll try to see what I can do. So for the one that was on, I'll probably just cut this part off so I can remove the plastic dip from in there, you know, that whole piece so the air can go through it. I don't know, probably in the future I'll do that because I don't like how that one is sit, so if I can't get that one to fit, I'll just cut this off, the inside off, and put this one back on because that bothers me. So as you guys saw, I put on the double-sided tape, 2 rolls full, put a little bit right here. I was heating it up, and there it is. See, this is the part that's bothering me right there. Let's see what I can do with that. Stick. So since I don't have a Dremel, I'm heating up the knife. So I'm gonna try to see if I can cut it. See, I already started right there. See if I can cut all this off, a little inside part, to see if I can open up that vent. So let's see. Let's see. It's hard to do it with one hand while I'm holding the cap. I forgot the tripod downstairs, but yeah, this piece is off. See, you gotta cut all of it off now. All right, guys, so yeah, it's getting dark. Don't make the same mistake I made. Cut a few of them. But yeah, see through. Put the whole piece off. Trim it a little bit here. Yep. You gotta clean it off, take this plastic dip off, and yep. So I did not know that I could take it apart and remove that part. But you gotta pull it off really hard. See, I cut my finger right there, trying to take them apart, but it's possible. I didn't know that. So since this one is all dirty, I'm gonna try to see if I can take the other one off and stick the other one that's clean onto this one to see if we can get it fixed that way. Look at that. Alright guys, so I already put it back on. This is my old cap. That's the inner part, the vent from the other cap that I had. That was loose here, that it wasn't sticking there, so I changed it. Yep. Now it's clean. I wish I should have known that I could do that. But I didn't know, so I did all I did for nothing. But still got it done. Here's the driver's side. This is the whole new cap that I bought. So yeah guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. It was pretty easy. I just wanted to swap them out. But then the passenger side, it was kind of like, it wasn't staying lined up on top in the little corner, so it was bothering me. So I came upstairs, tried to cut it out, as you guys seen. I did cut it out. So when I go back downstairs, I was like, you know, I didn't put it on or anything. I was like, let me see if I can rip it off to see if I can clean the old one or something. So I tried, I started prying it off, and I saw that I could take it off, so I was like, oh yeah, it's coming off. So I started taking it off, and fool, you can see, scraped the fuck out my finger right there, but it's I got it off, got the old one, the new one I mean, took it off the car, ripped it off too. It was easier to get off. So I just put the vents from the new one into the old cap that I had, and yeah, put it back on. It's still not tight, you know, like glue with the double-sided tape. It's still not on, so I'm gonna run to AutoZone and see if I can get some JB Weld, something to some glue, or I don't know, whatever I can get, so I can put it on there so it can never come off, because I don't think I'll ever want to take it off. So yeah, so I can stick that together so it never comes apart. So yeah, I hope you guys like it. Comment. I know you guys are gonna laugh probably, because you guys probably know how to do it, and I should have done it that way, but I didn't know. I didn't do any research, so I did whatever came out of my mind. So yeah guys, like, comment, subscribe, share it to your friends. If you've never seen a video like this of how to do that, now you know. You just gotta rip it off. Don't cut it off unless if you want to cut it off or whatever. But yeah, that's it for today's video guys. Catch you guys in the next one.